and we've got some eggs, and we are going to show you how to make an omelette. It's quite easy to make omelettes, as you will see if you just follow me and take very careful notes. The first thing you require is an egg. Now, eggs are very fragile, but I know you'd like to help, wouldn't you? So I'll let you put this egg in your beak. Hold it. Your beak. Got it? Now, you better rest your head down on the table because it's very, very difficult. You see, working with eggs, you see, you must be very careful. Just rest there. Are you all right? Hold it, won't you? Now, the next thing that we need is a mixing bowl over here. We shan't bother about making omelettes.